Hi friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix this reel is unavailable problem in Instagram. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, update your Instagram. Open your Play Store. Then search here Instagram. If your Instagram not up to date, then update from here. After updating, go back, open your settings, go to the apps, then search here Instagram. Press on force stop, press on force stop. Before clearing the data, you should know your Instagram user ID and password, then press on clear data. After doing this, check your problem solved or not. If not, go to the Google, then search here Instagram old version. Then press on first option. Then download and install anyone from here. Hope your problem will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.